What up everybody, my name is Blue and today a little bit of a different video. Did you ever ask yourself how to record your own PS4, Xbox One, Wii U or even the Nintendo Switch though? If you did, then I always thought you can like go and record it from your PS4 itself or Xbox. There's something inside, but that's not true. The best and probably the only way to record it is either buying a capture card, which I did, which is probably the best one, or set up a freaking webcam in front of your screen, which sucks, okay, to be honest. But today I'm gonna show off the Elgato Capture Card HD. Okay, so it's a pretty cool thing I ordered online because since I got banned on Dark Souls 3 I can't play online, which makes the game for trolling a bit hard, you know, but as I already have it on on PS4 as well, so I'm gonna play it on there and capture it with this card. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this and jump right into a gameplay, I guess. Let me see how it goes. I'm gonna open this. This is a pretty cool Elgato card. I ordered it from Amazon. So of course you have to invest a bit of money for it, but in the end it's totally worth it. That's my opinion. I mean, if you want to buy one, the link will be in the description. Why is the autofocus so bullshit? There you go. But yeah, so that's it. Okay, so this is the case. Nothing really special. Then we got the box itself, where you can open like this, and there it is. Open. Wait. Come on now, what is this? Wait, let me handle this for a second. Okay, there we go. So this is the open this side to access a quick start guide. Oh, cheat. Oh, you can open it like a door. There we go. Oh, wow, that was easy. And then this is the capture card itself. So we're gonna put that. Oh, there are cables behind there. Behind door number 2 are, oh shit, that's a lot of cable. God damn it. So we're gonna put that away. Then, first off, we got, what kind of cable is that? I think it's an HDMI cable. And this is a USB port. And then we got, oh my god, what? Oh no, this is the HDMI cable. There we go. So you get a HDMI cable for this one. The AV in. Okay, so you get a HDMI in and an HDMI out. And, but what is this? Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Yeah, okay, so but first we're gonna take a look on the capture card itself. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like, this is it, the Elgato capture card. You got AV in, HDMI in. So that means you have to plug it from the PS4, Xbox One, or whatever you have, and either in this port or in the HDMI port, and then you have to port it out directly into your computer, which could be the USB port or the HDMI, which is sick. And then we got a bench of cable. Yeah, a bench. We get a bench. God damn it. So one of them is this one. I'm not sure what. Oh my god. Audio. Okay, now then we got the 3-color cable. Okay, what else do we got? What is this? Okay, I haven't seen this port yet, but Okay, I have no idea what this port actually is, but that's okay. Then we got a USB cable. There we go, normal USB. And we got HDMI cable, there we go. So you probably just have to connect each other. I just have to figure out how we go. And but if you really want one of these, it's like how much did I pay? Like $100 or $150, something like that. It's worth it. I believe in that. Just well, what the fuck? I will actually put the link in the description for this baby, and yeah, you will buy one if you like it. No, you don't, but you don't have to buy one. But I think it's a good invest in money if you actually record stuff. So make sure to also like and subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. And with that said, we're gonna jump right into, oh, my camera's so bad. We're gonna jump right into a play. Probably we see you in Dark Souls 3. So peace. Okay guys, what's up? It's me, Blue, and so before we get into the gameplay, I have to go to a website called www.gamecapture.com to actually obtain the software. So www. Then we got game dude, what the fuck, gamecapture.com. Once we are on here, wait, I already got this. So then I have to download the newest game capture software, which is probably is going to be on downloads. Probably this one. So we're gonna download this one. Oh god, I'm feeling sick, bro. Okay, come on now. Okay, once we done this, we can open this thing and there we go. Okay, so PC audio, yeah, I think we're gonna install that one too. Go ahead and put it on file D, that's cool. There we go, and install it. Yeah, I will fast forward this until it's done, and then I will open it and we will see what's going on. So probably have to open it real fast, real quick. There we go. So this is it. Okay. Wow. Okay. So I can change literally everything, but I first have to connect. Oh man, I feel so sick right now. What the hell? Okay, there's no signal. Probably we have to turn on our PS4 first and turn on our second screen for it. There we go. Is it going to work? Something is not working right now. figured out how it works. I will show you real quick. I found a bug, probably. So my Elgato wasn't connecting at all to my computer, to my screen, but now it does, as you can see. And I will show you why. This is probably the worst fix in history, but so if it's not gonna work, if it's always doing weird stuff like turning on your screen, turning it off, turning it on, and saying connecting failure and stuff in the system, so you just go to settings, okay, and you go to settings in your PS4, okay. Now you go down to the system, there you go, and you enable HDCP. So now if you turn this on, you will see what happens. Okay, now you will see that the program is not working anymore. See? So it says, please wait a second. And then it tries to connect, but it's not gonna work. Okay? And this is gonna do it all the time. So what you're gonna do if you're at this point, you close the programs, this program, Elgato program, then you should get the screen back on your PS4, and you can just enable it, like turn it off, and you can actually restart your gaming capture software again. And we can see that it's gonna work in a few seconds again. I don't know why this happens, but when you turn this off, you cannot go into Twitch or YouTube app on the PS4, but I mean, you don't need that. And yeah, so that to the little fix, and yeah, we will see how it goes. I wanna try some, you even can use your okay, so they're pretty cool setups. That's cool. Okay, so that's to the little fix. Yeah, and we will jump right into a gameplay right now. Okay, so I will see you all there. Peace. What up, everybody? My name is Blue, and today we're gonna play some Dark Souls 3. Yeah, it's on the Elgato, so it means it's a PS4, and we will see how it goes, how it looks, how it does. I got a save file here, but yeah, connection is, I don't have an internet cable yet, so yeah. So I'm gonna load Blue Packs, which is the my main character, to be honest. I haven't played this on PS4 in ages. Like, I played on computer all the time, on PC, Steam, but I got banned, so, and I didn't even know why. So, but this is the game looking inside really good. I can't remember. Wait. God, this, okay, so I got a lot of items back. Oh shit, yo, that's savage. Okay, and what kind of weapons do I got? Okay, I got the fire Uchi Katana and the sorcery stuff. Then I got wow, it's actually not that bad what I'm doing, but that's cool. I want to see, like, I never skilled on life so much, but now I got 27 dex and 22 intelligence.
Probably should go for a strength build, to be honest, but let's. I can't connect to another war, so we will see how it goes now. Um, it's just a quick little play here to see how it actually looks. Um, I haven't achieved yet so much. I'm still in Eritreal. Um, Before, I don't know where's the next boss because I never played it really through. Just kidding, bro. To get to the DLC, I had to. Oh shit. Yeah, that's cool. Oh fuck. Yo, the sound is so. Okay. Oh no, my sound which I hear is from the computer now, but that's cool. But oh shit, there we go. Okay. Now we're going to just get to the second bonfire real quick. I don't know if I beat the big dogs down there or the big hybrid things. Oh my god, I really should go back to a strength build. I'm not used to a dex build though. God dang it. And not on the freaking PS4. I haven't played it in ages. But this will not be the only game I have. I will play Neo because this is a game I really wanted to play for a long time. Haven't had the chance because I was busy on the computer, but that's cool. So we can do that later. Now it seems like I beat those two NPCs already, so I think I already opened. Yeah, I opened it. We'll see how it goes if I actually be able to beat this stuff down here. Because as you know, they're pretty strong. Maybe you saw it yourself. Yeah, they're pretty strong. Okay. So I will see. Okay, first one is incoming. Oh shit. Yo, I really hate to. Oh shit! Both! God dang it, I'm dead. Get the fuck out of here. Please, no! Oh shit. Well, game looks good. I just fucked up myself, but that's cool. So that was a little overview how it looks in game. So please make sure to subscribe if you liked it. I really hope you did. And don't forget, if you can't connect, just watch it again and fix it. Maybe this fix is gonna work for you. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys.